Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow wheatgrass at home. Start by selecting organic wheat berries, as these are best for growing wheatgrass. After soaking them for 8 to 12 hours, you'll prepare your growing tray. Make sure it has drainage and a thin layer of good quality soil. This initial setup is crucial for a successful wheatgrass harvest right in your home. Once your wheat berries are soaked, spread them evenly across the soil in your tray. Give them a gentle misting of water. Then, cover the tray to create a humid environment, which helps the seeds germinate effectively. This crucial step encourages strong root development for your future wheatgrass. After about 2 to 3 days, you can remove the cover from your tray. Continue to water your wheatgrass daily, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Place the tray where it gets in direct sunlight or under a grow light to encourage healthy, vibrant green blades. This consistent care is key for robust growth. Your wheatgrass is ready to harvest when it's about 6 to 8 inches tall, typically after 7 to 10 days. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the soil line. Rinse your fresh wheatgrass thoroughly before juicing it to enjoy its many health benefits. This simple process yields a nutritious drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.